Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing good during this time. I know it's really hard. I'm getting a little cuckoo already. Like these four walls are just like, they're yelling at me at this time. But I am back with another video, try to get your mind off things. So I want to share with you a product that I've been using. This is an aloe vera gel, and this is from 7 Minerals. You can find them on Amazon. They're actually one of the best selling aloe vera gel. Now you're probably like, it's just aloe vera gel, but it's good. Aloe vera is just one of those very natural things that actually has so many great benefits for you. So I love using aloe vera. Now I do have another video on my channel which proves I've used aloe vera. I did a challenge for I believe 5, maybe 10 days where I used it every single night and showed you like my before and afters and how it affected my skin. This is almost just like taking it out of the plant, but it's in the bottle. If you ever used aloe vera before, I mean, I've used creams where they're just like white, or they're just not the same consistency as the plant itself, if that makes sense. They're always like really processed. So it even says it's 99% organic, no added water, alcohol free, no unnecessary ingredients. So honestly, it feels, the texture literally feels like I took it right off the plant. It looks like I just took it right off the plant. I use 100% natural thickening seaweed, and that's what makes the aloe vera not leave your skin with like a sticky residue. It's just gonna absorb really nicely into the skin, and it's gonna make it really feel smooth and silky, and that's exactly how my hands feel right now. Literally there's no stick. It's really silky and just smooth. I wouldn't have even guessed that I put anything on my hands, but they look nice and bright and just hydrated. And it doesn't contain any alcohol, so it's not going to dry out your skin, whether you're using it on your face or your body. It's not going to dry it out, and obviously that's what we want. We want that moisture, we want to lock it in. There's a lot of different things you can use aloe vera for. We're going to stick mainly to the beauty side of it. So what I've used it for personally is as a mask. So what I would do is apply it pretty thick, leave it on my face, on my freshly washed dry face, and I'd leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse off, and you're gonna see your skin be so hydrated, so much brighter, and just like plumper. So I have not noticed to get any acne if I leave it on overnight. If anything, it has definitely helped my acne. And if you are like me who gets cystic acne, it is not fun. It's actually terrible, but it helps bring down the swelling of it, and kind of like over time, like it goes away faster than it would on its own, so it's a plus. So I've definitely noticed my skin to be just plumper, smoother, softer, and brighter. So who could be mad at that? Another way I use it is when I'm fresh out the shower. I like to pat myself dry. I won't dry myself to the bone, but not that you're still dripping wet, and then I will put it all over my body. You're gonna see such a difference in your skin. It's not gonna be like this like ashy, scaly, because if I don't put moisturizer, that's exactly how I get. So they've even like have a whole recipe booklet. I will leave a link down below, see if I can share that with you guys. I've also used as a hair mask because I find that my scalp gets really dry, and it's helped with like alleviate some dandruff I noticed that I was getting. Another big thing that I've actually used it for is my son's eczema. He has severe eczema. It's something that we have battled with for years. He's gonna be 11, and he's had eczema since he was 1, and it's been so hard on everybody. I'm gonna show you a clip of his arm, or probably just have a picture of it. His creases get really bad. So I'm gonna show you the before, and I'm gonna show you the after, and you're gonna see just me applying the aloe vera morning and night, how much of a difference it has helped. His eczema is not curable. This isn't going to cure his eczema, but at least it's going to keep it under control where he's not going to be really itchy and he's not going to be like scraping at it. I just love that it's really no mess. It's all in a bottle. I don't have to be going to the store to purchase it and then cutting it up, and then if the rest of it goes bad before I've been able to use it, at least I have this in a bottle stored safe, and I can use it anytime, any place, anywhere. I could just take it with me on the go if I needed to. I just love the consistency of it. I love how it makes my skin feel, and it just has so many benefits, and the fact that I can use it for so many different things is absolutely what you want in a product. You want it to be a multitask. So I definitely highly recommend it. I will leave a link down below. Please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the like, and I hope I see you guys in the next video.